Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Volvo 240 GL Estate and this is by Majorette and this is from their vintage series. So I bought this for MRP which is $399. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So as I mentioned, this one has this holders kind of thing, but it really doesn't have any leverage here to remove this very easily like the racing one has. Okay, let me pull this out and throw this out. Okay, so here is the card art. That looks really nice. And here it showcases what's the feature it is having. And here you can see the specification of this particular car. Okay, let me just keep this aside and let's go to the casting now. Okay, so throw this away and here it is. So here is the casting. Okay, that is a lengthy casting. I never expected that. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks really beautiful, and it has acrylic insets for headlights, which is really nice. It doesn't have any grill details here. It does, but it does have the logo here. It is a little bit of paint issues there, and it does have interior detailing to it, which is really nice. And you can see the taillight detailing as well, which is really nice. And it does have the exhaust detailing here, but I don't see much of a chassis detailing here. That's fine. And this set of rims actually goes well with this particular casting, kind of the classic look. So this is a full metal body and plastic chassis, including the bumpers here, front and rear. And it has rear view mirrors here, and it has openable part here. Okay, yeah, here it is. That is honestly one huge lengthy car or wagon. Okay, so it does have nice interior detailing to it. I'm really happy that they went with it. Okay, so it has wiper details here, which is really nice. I don't see much of an issue with this casting. Only here I can see. So that might be specific to mine, might not be in yours. Let's weigh this casting now. $41 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Wow, it does roll really well. So it does have wheel wobble on the front wheels. Front wheel wobbles a little bit, but apart from that I'm not seeing any issue. It does roll really well, even though it is very lengthy casting. So let's rate this casting now. Okay, so my only nitpick is I'm not really sure about the actual car having the grill details here, whether that usually it has some kind of air intake here, right? It will be having some kind of that fin kind of thing, so that let the car take air from the atmosphere for the fuel. So I don't know. So this one really bothers me a little bit, but apart from that I don't see any issue. So I'm just reducing 0.5 for that, 9.5 out of 10. But apart from that I'm not seeing any issue. Everything is really nice. Even the door handles here and everything looks really nice. It is consistent even on both sides. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as usual, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.